What is perlite? Where does it come from? What is it used for? Perlite is a grayish volcanic glass that once flowed out of a volcano as obsidian. Over millions of years, obsidian acquires water molecules. It hydrates and, as it does, turns from a smoky black glass to a dull gray. It is now perlite, and awaiting to be mined, and with some heat, turned into a marvelously versatile industrial mineral. Perlite is mined in regions where old volcanoes are present using traditional mining techniques. In North America, we find perlite in the western states where volcanoes are still active.
Once the ore is mined, it's crushed and screened before it's ready to be sent to a processing facility for furnacing.
The secret that turns perlite ore into something special is heat, and plenty of it. When the gray perlite ore is heated to about 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, the glass softens and the water molecules inside it turn to steam, and the ore pops up just like popcorn. Each small piece of ore grows 12 to 15 times its original volume and under a microscope looks like the cluster of tiny glass bubbles, both whole and broken. This unusual lightweight structure is what makes perlite so valuable to a variety of uses, and those uses keep on growing every day.
In horticulture, perlite is mixed with peat moss, coconut fiber, and other organic matter to make a potting soil that provides the perfect amount of air-filled porosity and drainage for plants to thrive.
It really can help make your garden grow. In construction, perlite is used to insulate concrete masonry walls, make lightweight concrete structures, and other formed products. Here, in a proprietary process, fine perlite is mixed with other materials to produce rigid, insulating cores for commercial steel-sheathed doors, built to withstand the heat of a fire for up to 2 hours. New uses for perlite in the construction industry are being found regularly, but currently the largest single use of expanded perlite is making acoustic ceiling tiles. One of the reasons perlite is used in construction is its R rating. 1 inch of loose perlite is equal to an R3 insulating factor. Perlite also serves as a very effective filter media, where it's used in the environmental industry to clean water, and in the beverage industry to filter beer, wine, and juices. These liquids are run through a filter cake made of expanded perlite, which traps small particles, and only the clarified liquid passes completely through. The raw perlite ore has found widespread use in the foundry industry to both insulate and help remove impurities from molten metal. When perlite ore is added to molten steel, it immediately expands, trapping impurities at the top of the melt, making it easier to remove these before pouring. In a world where energy and resources have become dear, the physical structure and qualities of expanded perlite have already made this one of the most versatile industrial minerals in the world, and its use is growing as more applications are being developed every day. Perlite really could be the perfect industrial mineral.